Hello everyone. Hello, happy new year in advance to everybody. So, last time I promised to come and show remedy that you can use that will help you with when you have that strong odor. When you are that person who have that strong odor, you just use this remedy to wash, and you will really see the difference. Because last time I talked about when you have strong odor, I said I will come back to show what you can use that will help you when you know you have that strong odor. You don't need to be ashamed of it. You don't need to be feeling bad about it. You were created like that. You were created like that. You cannot change it. So the only thing you can do, you cannot change it, but you can take care of it. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that anytime I upload video, you will be notified. And if you have subscribed before, thank you and God bless you guys. So you don't need to be ashamed of yourself. You were created that way, and that is how it is. So if you are that kind of person, I will show you this remedy that will help you to remove that body odor, that strong smell in you. It's just home, just something you can get in the supermarket. You can get it in the supermarket, so it can really help. Just try it. There's some people, when you tell them something, they just feel like it's not working. No, if you don't try something, you will not know if the thing is working or it's not working. So you just need to try something. You try different things, and when you use this one, then when you finish taking your bath, then you use your roll-on. You can just try it twice in a week. If you want, you can even do it. If you have the time, you do it 3 times in a week, depending on the way you want to do it. We should take care of ourselves. We should make sure we smell good. We should make sure that everything about our body smell good. Okay? Because if you are that kind of person who have that body odor, and you know you have it and you don't want to take care of it, it's not good. You just need to find something that will help you. Something that will help you with that body odor. And you have to be extra care of your body. Extra care of your body. Take extra care when you know you have that body odor. You take extra care of your body. Don't just leave your body like that, because when you leave your body like that, if you are single out there, if you are single, you need to get married. And if you are married already, you need to smell good. You need to look good. You need to look good. And you need to smell good also. So that is why I decided to come and share this remedy, because I promised to come and share it, and I was just thinking about it every time that I need to share this thing, because I've promised it already. Just that I'm a little bit busy of some things. So today I decided to come and share it to you guys. So the thing is just simple. You don't need stress. You don't need to work for it. It's just simple. So the remedy is lime orange. So if you can get the other one, the green one, that one is better. But if you cannot get the green one, you can also use this one. I don't want to cut it because I'm not using it. There is no need of me cutting it. So I know if I can show it like this, then you will know what you will do. I can show it like this and tell you what you will do with it. So this lime orange, if you know that you have that strong body odor here, normally body odor come from here and down. So if you are that kind of person, I just prefer this one you cut this one into 2 pieces. You use it to scrub. After shaving, you have to shave first. When you shave, after shaving, then you use this one to scrub very well. Scrub, make sure you scrub it very well, very well, like 3 minutes with this. Cut it and scrub very well. You can use half of this, you put it in, you can use half, the remaining half you put it in your fridge, so that you can use it the next time. So after scrubbing, you scrub here, then you scrub here. So, and if you know you have that strong odor so down there, so you can also wash every time you wash. You look for soap, and I will come and share that soap also. Yes, I will come and share the soap you can use down there. If you are a woman, come and share the soap. So you can use the soap to wash, and if you know that you have a very strong odor down there, you have to go and see the doctor. It's not normal. It's not normal. It's body odor. Yeah, it's body odor. So if you know you have that strong odor down there, go and see the doctor. It's body odor. And if you know it's just normal odor, then you have to wash every time, because I cannot advise you to go and use this one down there, because down there have soap you can use. So I will come and share that one. But for underhand, so you from here and here, you need this one. Just cut it into two. Keep the remaining one in your fridge. Then the half, just use it to scrub, just to scrub. After the day you shave, you will not scrub it that day. No, the next day you start scrubbing, because when you try it, it will be very hot. So you use it the next day after shaving. So you just scrub. If you can do it 2 times in a week, 3 times in a week, it depends on you. Try this and it will really help, guys. It will really help. If you are a man, you are a woman, and you know you have that strong odor, just use this one to scrub. And after scrubbing, take your bath. After taking your bath, you have to apply your roller also. So I did not say you should leave your roller behind. No, apply your roll-on also after scrubbing. This one you scrub for 3 minutes. You take your shower. After taking shower, then you apply your roll-on. This one will reduce the odor. Yes, some people, there are some people who have body odor. Roll-on cannot stop the odor. So when you use this one, then this one can suppress the odor. You understand, guys? So I hope this remedy will work out for you guys. So like I said, it's what I know that work. I will come and share here. So guys, please do help me to subscribe by supporting me. Subscribe and share, and press the notification bell so that anytime I upload video, you'll be notified. Guys, thank you all for all your support. See you in my next video. Bye.